Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Type Soul Roblox. First, upon entering the game, you will choose one of three main factions: Soul Reaper, Hollow, or Quincy. Each path offers a completely different experience, with unique abilities and progression. For instance, Hollows evolve through eating souls, while Soul Reapers train their spiritual energy. Think carefully about your preferred combat style and long-term goals before making your initial choice. This foundational decision shapes your entire journey. Once you have chosen your faction, your primary goal is to grow stronger. You will gain experience by completing various quests and defeating non-player characters or other players. As you level up, you unlock powerful new abilities unique to your chosen path. For example, Hollows consume souls to evolve, eventually reaching forms like Minos or Vasto Lord. Soul Reapers, on the other hand, train diligently to achieve their Shikai and Ultimate Bankai releases, significantly boosting their combat prowess. Combat in Type Soul is dynamic and requires strategic thinking. You will use a combination of basic attacks, special abilities, and spiritual pressure to defeat your foes. Learning to effectively dodge, block, and parry incoming attacks is crucial for survival and gaining an edge. Practice combining your moves to create powerful combos and maximize your damage. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of different factions will also significantly improve your player versus player success rate. To truly excel in Type Soul, consider these essential tips. Joining a clan or group can provide valuable support, resources, and opportunities for cooperative play. Always explore the expansive world. You might uncover hidden quests, rare items, or secret training spots. Remember to consistently upgrade your equipment and allocate your stat points wisely to boost your character's power. Finally, practice your combat skills in less risky environments before challenging stronger opponents or engaging in intense player versus player battles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.